Good morning and welcome to another video here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, where we are gonna have an awesome day. We are going to the Sticky Waterfalls today. But first, I gotta go grab some money. Everywhere you go, you obviously can take out money at any ATM you want. The problem lies in how much money they're gonna charge you to take money out of your own bank account. Not only their ATM here in a foreign country, but your bank back at home. Now my bank back at home charges me at least $5 to $7 every single time I take out money here, or anywhere really. And then their bank, or their ATM, usually takes away at least $2 or $3. So I'm getting charged $8 or so every single time I use the ATM. That is not good. Thank you. Now you might be saying, why don't you just switch banks? Why don't you pick a bank that doesn't have foreign transaction fees? Yeah, well, we didn't. So that's the story. I'm back.
Good morning. Cheers.
You all ready?
They're not ready. We're working on it.
I got money.
Yes.
One last problem. As you saw in the ATM, you want to take out a large sum of money, so I clicked 10,000. But they give you 1,000 marked bills. So this is not really good because everything around here costs 20 to 40 baht. And I'm walking around with 1,000 baht bills. Check them out. So what I do is I go to the grocery store and I buy a couple things and then I pay with 1,000 baht because I know the grocery store can handle it. And then I got a bunch of small bills. And that's how we use money in Thailand. Okay. Yeah, still sleeping a little.
I'm all up, man. Josie's whole cheek has Nutella. It's been a good morning.
Do you know what we're doing today, Emily?
No.
Do you know what we're doing, Colin?
Yes, we're walking up the Sticky Waterfalls.
Back to our usual routine.
Dad getting a shot. Are you ready?
Yes.
Why does it keep warning us against snakes?
King cobras.
Oh.
This is a perfect habitat for king cobra because they live in forests and they live near water.
Oh great, just king cobras. Nothing serious.
Oh, it's definitely not king cobra. like there's probably one in there.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, buddy. You are supposed to be able to walk up and down these waterfalls without slipping. Look at the kids go.
Uncle Sam Rice. applies to everyone.
The family we met from the Lantern Festival posted a bunch of pictures about these waterfalls on their Instagram. So we just added it to our list. This was a good find. This is so cool.
There's two routes, a non-slippery one with no rope and a slippery one with a rope. So with 4 kids, let's take the rope one.
That's the slippery.
This is how it's done.
There you go. There you go. Come on.
I'm gonna go get some eat.
Somewhere in all the madness, I lost my glasses. What do you think? Fun?
Yeah.
Emily, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Dad.
2 thumbs up.
Colin, thumbs up or thumbs down?
I can't do 3 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Cute that she wants to go again.
Thumbs down?
Yeah.
She's mad because she wants to go again.